So, what is the importance of whale sharks?
The whale sharks often travel in large numbers and gather in areas with abundant plankton for food, making them prime tourist attractions. The distribution of whale sharks indicates the presence of plankton and the overall health of our oceans, which is very important to studies.
Thank you. Why do you think that the whale sharks are worth saving?
They're docile species that feed on plankton and other tiny sea creatures. Scientists aren't exactly certain what would happen if they became extinct, but they're beautiful creatures that are being taken advantage of by fishing industries and killed by careless boat drivers. We should help protect them because if we show that we can save one endangered species, then maybe others will be inspired to save others too.
The global population of the whale shark has decreased more than 50% in the last 75 years. The Indo-Pacific populations have decreased even more dramatically, with the subpopulation declining 63%. Whale sharks have protections from other treaties, including the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea and the Convention of International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna.
Whale sharks are highly valued on international markets. Demand for their meat, fins, oils remain a threat to species, particularly by unregulated fisheries. They are victims of bycatch, the accidental capture of non-target species in fishing gear, and whale shark tourism presents a threat to species as it can interrupt their feeding and sharks can be injured by boat propellers.
Whale shark tourism is very popular in Mexico, and it is important to educate our tourists on the codes of conduct for swimming with the sharks. Raising awareness with tour boat operators about the movements of sharks will also result in fewer boat collisions with the animals.
There are real ways that citizens can be active to help. There are two cruise ships companies off the coast of Mexico whose cruises currently travel through the important area where whale sharks congregate in large numbers and swim slowly at the surface of the water, letting Carnival and Royal Caribbean Cruises know how important it is to you that they adjust their course by just 7 miles to protect the whale sharks can encourage them to pay attention, especially if people in large numbers begin to let them know.